Hey everybody, I hope y'all are doing well. For anyone who's new, my name is Olivia, and in today's video I will be revealing and wrapping with the February 2025 Rapunzel Scarf of the Month. This set includes a scarf and a beautiful brooch, and I'm going to jump right on into it, starting with the brooch. The brooch is a gold toned flower with the clear crystals and the center of little pearls. The back has a quick, easy kind of clasp on it. It's a decent size, not too big, not too little, so it should be easy to work with and get to clip onto the scarf. And the scarf is an interesting color combination. I'm really digging it. It is an olive and brown combination. I'm trying to open it up, sorry. All right, so it is a viscose scarf, and as you can see, the ends of the scarf have the brown with the green, the olive green, and then the center has the green background with the brown decorations. And here's the other end. It's a good width, not super wide, but not super thin, so it's good to wrap with. Let's see, make sure I got that correct. 80% viscose, 20% cotton. That's the makeup of this scarf. It's nice and lightweight, and due to the all-over design, I feel like it's going to go with a lot of different patterns, and I think it'll be fun. I have a few back here that I think would be nice. I have a Striped Delights. I have a Lakeshore Bliss, and then that one there, excuse me, that's not a Striped Delight. That's the Striped Delight. This is a New York Brights. Okay, but I thought that those would be really pretty with this for having a pattern and stripe mixture. All right, I am going to, oh, also this one right here, this olive solid pashmina would be really pretty with it. All right, I'm going to get to jumping right on into wrapping with it. I have on a signature shaper today. I'll be heading out for a fun work shift, so I don't want to do a huge shaper today. Right, now putting this on, I think what would be fun is putting it on with the brown in this direction. I'm just folding it, I'm tucking, so I'm not tying it today. And I'm just going to tuck underneath so I can form this fun front. Bring this over, bring the tail over, and fold in 2/3. Okay. Right, now we don't want to cover up that front. Bring through. Bring through. Just like so. See if we can get that a little bit smaller. There we go. Okay. And then I'm going to open up and drape, tuck underneath. So I have this going on. And then the brooch I think will really be really cute right here. That's fun right there. Alternatively, we can put it right here on this little knot. But yeah, I think that is super fun. I really like the lightweight feel of this scarf, so it'll be really good in the summertime. Right? Now, to do one more wrap because I would keep it short this time instead of being super long with lots of wraps. I am going to add in the Glimmer and Glow scarf in tan because I think that is going to make a really good combination for these two scarves. With oh my goodness, that will make a really good combination of scarves. These two. All right, let's take this one off. There we go. Untuck. Fix. Now this is the Glimmer and Glow in tan. It's really super pretty. I like the design in it. It's very cool. It's a stripy kind of thing, almost like a color on color plaid. Just really fun. The little tassels on the end. So this should be really cool. All right, now I'm going to start off with the scarf of the month. I'm going to put it on, and I'm going to put it on with a short end and a long end, folding it just about in half to fit the smaller shaper. If you have a bigger shaper, fold it less. Right? Just like so. I am doing crisscross applesauce in the back for this one. Okay, you can see the longer tail, the shorter tail. And then I've got this one. And I'm going to fold this as well. I think I like this side better. Okay. And I'm going to put this one on, I'm going to say even Steven. Okay, or close to even. And you can see, just walking this forward a little bit, we're going to do straight across this time. I do a lot of angles, so it might be nice to not do an angle. Oh, see, it automatically wants to go to an angle. I'll fix that in 1 second. All right. Tying the knot. So it's only one knot in this wrap. Okay. There we go. Nice and neat and smooth. So I have two tails. Okay. All right. Now what I want to do is I want to, my goodness, make sure this is nice and neat. Fold it directly in half. I'm going to bring it up and over. I want to make stripes like so. And I think I might keep the wrap style simple for this one as well, because I think a double beginner's luck might be really pretty. And I could even make this an amped up. So we'll do two. Do two wraps like so. That's really pretty. I like that. I really dig that. Like, this is so pretty. All right, I'm gonna bring this down and around the back. And keeping it flat. Sorry. All right, there it is. I'm finding the pocket and we are tucking in. There we go. Just like so. All right, so I have a nice long tail, and you could see where the green is here and then the brown is the main color down here. So fun. All right, now I want to grab the Glimmer and Glow, and I want to make sure it's folded. I want it a little bit thinner than the scarf of the month, so I'm folding it into quarters. You can fold it into thirds if you want it slightly longer. There we go. Brought it over, keeping it nice and flat. All right, I'm grabbing the tail here, and I'm going to do the same thing. The double or amped up beginner's luck. Just a second, there we go. Just like that. Pull it up so it spreads it out a little bit more. And then pulling down around the back, we're going to find the same pocket and we are going to tuck it in. Like that. There we go. All right, and there I have my two tails down. I may decide at work today that the tail is annoying, so I'll show you what to do. This here is great. It's a little tiny tail, won't be a problem. But this longer tail, what I'm going to do is bring it back and bring it up behind the second set of knots. Okay, bring it up. And then I will tuck in here. So you get the two tails, but it's not so much of a tail here. Okay, I'm gonna put the pin on. I will turn around and show you this look, and then I'm gonna sign off. All right, there we go. That's pretty, right there. All right, scooch back just a little bit, sorry. Right, here is the side and the back. I'll spin around this way and show you. Ooh, I gotta change my sweater. I didn't realize it was ripped. Okay, and there's the back. All right, have a wonderful day, and I will see you again soon for the March 2025 Scarf of the Month. Bye now.